If you're a manufacturer, retailer, showroom, or an e-commerce business, you can now integrate a simple, fast, and customizable interior design tool on your website. TilePlanner can be used on any PC, tablet, or smartphone. No need to download or install a thing. Make it available to your designers, your retailers, or even your customers. You decide the level of access you want to give to each user. Keep your product catalog up to date and track usage statistics to better understand how your customers interact with each product and collection, monitoring trends in different locations and markets. Create a customized print template for projects. Connect TilePlanner to your e-commerce platform so that your customers can easily buy the products they use in their projects with just one click. Engage your customers and entice them to the showroom, where they can refine their projects alongside design professionals, taking full advantage of the professional design software Damas 3D. Enhance your business, increase your customer satisfaction, and boost your sales with TilePlanner.